Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist. Today is Take Back Friday, July the 13th, 2018. Just real quick, see where we left off at. As you can see here, silver did close below the momentum line, so we expect to see more bearishness to come. No change there, just as expected with silver. Taking a look here now at gold. And you can see likewise with gold, couldn't do it. We're below the Kumo cloud. And it looks to be that momentum is accelerating to the downside on gold. Taking a look now at the Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures, we settled, closed at 61.75. Didn't get back up to that 66 mark. So as you can see, this one is still pretty low. All right, so still weak, still bearish, and momentum is pointing down. So I expect lower prices to come in the coming week, starting on Sunday. Taking a look at the Dow. All right, the Dow powered back up again, but still overall in a downtrend channel on the weekly chart. All right, so don't know if we're going to top out like we did before back here. Failed. Looked like the market was going to break out, and it broke down. Would this rally be sold like this one? And I have to say there's a strong possibility that that could definitely be the case. So we will see what happens come Sunday night. Taking a look at the NASDAQ 100, it did, as you know, hit a high of 74.14 this week, and it's retreated somewhat from that high. This is new all-time contract highs for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is hitting that overbought on the weekly chart, so I'm expecting to see a pullback this week, but you never know. It could keep running. There's no rule that says it has to pull back just yet. S&P 500, as you know, broke 28.78.5 back here, and it's now trying to test that. Now it's breaking out. The question is it going to fail, though? We're going to reverse course at some point. Momentum's still good, but we're getting into that overboughtness. Who's to say if it's going to lock in a bull trend or not? We just trade what we see. But for right now, the market is bullish, the momentum line, so that's a straight up bull call. Looking at the Russell. All right, the Russell hit 1720.80 and pulled back from that. Still bullish, the momentum line, but momentum seems to be waning a bit. So market could roll over. It could power up, but again, it could also roll over. I don't know. We're gonna have to see if the bulls can defend the momentum line in the week to come. That's going to be a tall order. All right, taking a look real quick here at nat gas. Nat gas falling off of a cliff. All right, accelerating to the downside and locking in. So much more downside to come in your natural gas. Looking at crude oil. All right, you can see crude oil topped out at 75.25, and right now we're at $70.60 and accelerating to the downside. Not even oversold yet, so more downside to come, and the trend line support of 67.53 is in play, just as I told you before. So we'll see what happens, but as far as the momentum line is concerned, it didn't hold it. All right, needed to close above 70.67, and that did not happen. All right, that did not happen. And we closed at 70.60, so just shy of that momentum line. But you know, crude oil is a beast. It can do whatever it wants to do. So it could power up again, and who's to say? We'll see what happens on Sunday night. All right, here is the dollar index, still in the Kumo cloud of death. Slightly bullish, the momentum line, but you're in the Kumo cloud, so anything goes in the cloud. All right, taking a look last but not least at the bonds. Bonds held that 145 zone, and we're trying to power up here or reserve some momentum for the coming week of hitting that 147.29 resistance target. So that target is in play, and price action is bullish the momentum line. So with that being said, that is what we got. That's where we close for the week. A lot of news out on the tape, so you should peruse that at your leisure, and we'll see what happens in the coming week when we get the post-wave price triggers. We'll see if there's any rally and crash alerts and all that good stuff. With that being said, have a great weekend. Peace. Oh, postwavetrading.com is where you can go to sign up for your weekly post-wave price triggers, along with the study course and all the other goodies and live tutorial training with yours truly and all that good stuff. Postwavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.